Hey everybody, welcome back to A to Z RC. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about batteries and the batteries we're going to be using in our quads, in our airplanes, multi-rotors, jets. So we are going to be talking a little bit about Lipo batteries or a lithium polymer battery. Now these types of batteries are a little bit more temperamental than the AA batteries that you're used to using for your household items. Now, a lot of people get confused or are overwhelmed by all the different numbers or acronyms that we use for the Lipo batteries. So we're just going to quickly go over those, see if we can't get an idea and a little bit more understanding. So the first thing we're going to talk about is how a Lipo battery works. Each lithium polymer battery is made up of cells. So this little one here is a 1-cell battery. Here we have a 3-cell battery, we have a 4-cell battery, and a 6-cell battery. All of the cells in lithium polymer batteries are hooked in series, so you add the voltages together. Each cell is 3.8 volts per cell, so in this case we have 3 cells, so 3.8 times 3 is 11.1. So when people refer to this battery as a 3-cell 11.1 volt battery. Okay, we're going to talk about this letter and number here. Here we have mAh. That stands for milliamp hour. So in this case, in this battery, we have a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. That typically talks about how long your battery will last for or how long you can fly for. So if you have a smaller milliamp hour battery, for example, this really small one here, this is a 160 milliamp battery. So it's not going to last near as long as a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. Now, typically, the bigger the milliamp, the bigger the battery and the heavier the battery. So you want to find just the right amp hour battery so you can find the right length of time that you're looking to fly for. Okay, now we're going to talk about this number here, this 45C number. What does that actually mean? The C talks about the maximum safe continuous discharge of the battery. So we can pull 225 amps continuously from this battery pack. How did I get that number? I took the 5 amp hours, so this is a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, 1 amp is equal to 1,000 milliamps, so this is a 5 amp hour battery times the 45C rating, so 5 times 45, and that gives me the 225 amps I can safely, continuously pull from this battery. I hope we learned a little bit more about lithium polymer batteries, and if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments and we'll get to those as soon as we can. Also, make sure to watch our next video on good battery practices. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.